Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still think it's extremely clear we're in a wave 4, and then eventually we're going to go up for a wave 5 to complete what I think is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern. Probably even a wave C potentially, but it could be even a wave 3. Either way, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I have it labeled as an ABC, as you can see, but potentially it could turn into something else. I think it's more likely an ABC, and it's going to end up looking like this. And this should be an ABC of wave 4. It could turn into a more complex correction, but hopefully that's what it ends up doing. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I've been targeting this 123, 138 area for quite a while now. It definitely looks like it pulsed down with a possible break and then possibly a corrective up. Hopefully this correction is actually over and this is actually getting ready to make a reversal. Keep in mind this wave C is potentially a trend on the daily to weekly time frame, which means that this trend potentially will take months to play out. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like we had impulsive down with a breaker structure. Then it looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up. So I would assume that this is either a 1 or an A. I would assume this is either a B or a 2, and we're either in a wave 3 or a wave C. Even if it is a wave C, I would most likely expect it to at least go down to either equal lows or take out these lows for a wave C and then reverse back up. If it's a wave 3, then hopefully it'll just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, and just trend down very strong. Wave 3 should be very obvious that they're wave 3s because they should be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So we should be able to recognize whether this is a wave 3 or whether it's a wave C. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would be looking for shorts right now, but I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now. I would only go short on pullbacks. But at the same time, I'll be paying attention to my fib levels. I mean, this could turn into a running correction, bounce off one of these fib levels, break structure, and if it does do that, I would stop looking for shorts. And I would start looking for logs again. If it doesn't do that, but instead just makes normal Fibonacci bounces with no breaks of structure, lower lows, lower highs, then I would just continue to look for shorts at the end of every single pullback I got. Like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame, this big wave we're getting is either going to be a wave 3 or a wave C. And if we pay attention to our structure, pay attention to price, we definitely should be able to tell the difference between a wave 3 and a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.